Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today is a big day for me. I'm back to actually doing things that I've never reviewed before. I took, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? At the end of December to go through a bunch of the stuff that I had here that I'd already reviewed and I didn't really need. And I thought, hey, maybe people would like to see that. I don't know that I'd ever done it on the show. Hey Miles, how you doing? Good? You having a good, enjoyable day?
Yeah.
Here is your enjoyable fruit snack. You're welcome. And so, that's my son Miles. And yeah, so what do we have today? We got something that came from an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a discount. This is a Baijia export version, hot and sour instant vermicelli. It came in a flower pot. I call these flower pots, they're like extra large cups. And I'll show you what I mean. The first one of these that I ever got, it had like a terracotta kind of motif to it, so that's why it kind of got that name from me. There's your vermicelli. Where's my scissors? There they are. We'll sizz these up in the way that we do. Hot stuff in the kitchen, buddy. Right here. Here you go. Welcome. And then that was a what do you call it? Make sure you can see. It's like this kind of, I don't know if it's tofu skin or what it is. I'd love to find out. If you know, then let me know. Those weird little cylindrical bundles of fun and enjoyment. And then we got all this stuff. And then we have a paste. So today is December 11th, 2021, and it's Monday. Last Wednesday was the absolute insanity that will go down in history as the time when all those people went and they freaked out. A lot of stuff to freak out about right now. I can dig that, but that was a little much. So this goes for 5 to 6 minutes. So we're gonna do 6. You might be able to hear my daughter in the background. Hey Mimi, leave him alone! Mimi, go sit on yours. She's been an absolute, well, something I'm going to boil up too. This is some Chinese sausage. Oh my god, my daughter has been such a freaking pain. She's 4 and rambunctious as all get out. Ready to strangle her after a nice morning of her hassling her brother while he's trying to do his online classes. Alright Mimi, I guess you need a timeout. Well then, go sit and eat your lunch, please. Alright, let's see. This is Mo Fugrando Speaks, a compendium of quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles. If you're a Star Trek fan, this is kind of like the Ferengi Rules of Acquisition by the guy who invented instant noodles. So let's see. What are we on? It's been a while. You know, we'll do 146 and 147. Let's see, 146. Never follow into complacence. There is always something above you to aim for. I don't think I've done that one, but just to make sure, number 147, the CEO must always carry the banner to foster a sense of unity among the employees. There you go. All done? All right. Well, you win. So it is time for you to get your winning item of happiness and joy.
That's that.
You like the music?
Yeah. Let's go.
There you go. Rock and roll, buddy. You're welcome. Lunch for him is done. All right. Let's see. So what's been going on with me? Gosh, what day was it? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I did a bunch of walking. Friday I did 17 miles. Saturday I did slightly less. I did like 17.4 on Friday, 17.3 on Saturday, and like 11 or 12 on Sunday. And I woke up today and my feet and my calves and everything burned so bad. My feet are killing me today, man. Wow. I was able to do, like last week, I cranked out 7 top 10 lists. And I thought, hey, I could bounce back into this old pattern, but doing like 4 days of basically just doing like desk jockey work, man, that was a little much. To jump into that, and before that I hadn't been doing that much as that, so there we go. God, I could eat this stuff forever. Chinese sausage is really good. It's got a little bit of sweetness, nice flavor to it. Yes. So let's see, we got 2 minutes left. That was quick. Gosh, what else is going on? We had the crazy thing last week. The COVID numbers just continue to go up, 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 up. Went to the beach yesterday. That was cool, although windy and very cold. We went to this place called Richmond Beach. And it's just a big beach. I was thinking like, oh, there won't be anybody here. The weather's garbage, but the kids will have fun flipping rocks. Well, the tide was in, and so were the people. Oh my God. I mean, it was just like tons and tons of people out. So we ended up wearing masks and going to the beach. I don't know. I figure err on the side of caution. It felt kind of like overkill to even bother wearing masks in a place where it's so windy and cold, but I don't want to screw with that stuff, especially right now. I mean, it's bad, yo. Yeah. I don't want to get sick. That was a thing too. My wife wasn't feeling good yesterday. I felt really sore yesterday. And when you get all that soreness and stuff going on, and both of us at the same time, we felt crummy. It's like, But there was an explanation for hers, and there was an explanation for mine. So, yeah, we're not feeling the same way as we did yesterday. I just felt like beat up. My feet are kind of sore, but I've already done about 2.5 miles today, so I'm gonna try. If I can crank out 10 miles, I'll be pretty happy today. But it's all gonna be apartment laps, and they've got a what do you call it, a weather warning about flooding, like urban flooding. We're supposed to get like between 1 and 3 inches of rain, I think tonight, I don't know, but they're saying 6 inches of rain in the mountains. It's pretty warm. That's why it's not coming down as snow, but yeah, we're getting the weather. It's winter. It means it. Let's see what we got here. Yes, yes. Thick, murky, seriously burly looking stuff. Okay, let go. Let's give this a try. I'll let you have a look really quick. Then I will make the magic happen. By the way, I keep getting people saying, man, that guy must have been so stoned when he did that video, dude. So stoned. No. No. I have no, I mean, I get stoned from time to time. I live in Washington State. It's legal. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. But, no, I'm trying to crank out 2 reviews as fast as I can between Zoom classes for my kids. It's like, no, I'm not stoned. I smoke weed maybe. It's hard to put a finger on it because I go and I'll like enjoy it a few times and then I won't for like a year. Pretty good. Definitely a hot and sour. That is tasty, tasty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump it in here to facilitate ease of transferring to a bowl. Oh wow, it's not only wet and rainy, it's windy now too. I think we might have power outage action going on. If it's gonna happen, I would like it to do it right this second because my camera, that's all battery operated. So. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. So I want you about like that. I like that. Oh, wait a second. I want to do some stirring of the bowl before So I put a couple mung bean sprouts in here. I kind of regret it now. It's so funny. Some things will stain mung bean sprouts really well and other things won't. And this looks like it won't. Just pour this in. I just don't like the bleached looking mung bean sprout. I like eating them. I just don't like how they look. You know what I mean? Let's see. Ooh, Chinese sausage. Oh, yeah. It's like candy. Let's see. A little bit of cilantro. AKA coriander. Nicety. Actually, let's do you like this. That's better-ish. My son's first teacher of the day, she likes to say that ish. It doesn't have to be perfect. It can be ish. Like I like perfect. I don't think I usually reach the, what do you call it? The level of things generally being perfect, but I try. Come on. I like it. I want to get rid of this though. 2 Yeah, get out of there. Get out of there. I'm kidding. Get out of there. Alright. Let's rotato. Trying to get a head start on the next one. But that's it for this enjoyable hot and sour vermicelli from China. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.